Hey, fellas. Good morning, good morning. We are here. Timbo, good morning. Morning at, hey, Trading Ever After, good morning. How we doing, fellas? Matty Matt, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Let's get it. It's Monday morning. Brass Donkey, good morning. Terry, hey, good morning, Terry. 101, the 101 gang. Alua Tosin. Takako, good morning. Lacey for good morning. Micro Player, FL Paper Girl, good morning. All right, everybody, it's Monday morning. It's a fresh new week. Let's have a good week, everybody. Let's have a good week. No tilting. Let's just take good trades, cut our losses, and let our winners run. Good morning, Sean. Good morning. This week's going to be a nice week. Should be an interesting week. So we got, I don't know, this should be interesting. I don't know exactly what to expect today. Friday, we had a huge sell-off. Huge sell-off Friday. After I ended stream, we just kept selling off. It's crazy. Jonas Trades, Apex Sales still going. Can I use your code? Yes, you can. That'd be awesome if you did. Rosie Rose, good morning. Good morning, Black Coffee Trader in the house. Good morning, good morning. Here's Johnny, good morning. NP, good morning. Max90, Kid Poker. Let's go. Kid Poker approved on his second payout from the same PA in the same month. Shut the front door, man. That's awesome. This is for you. Wait. Here we go. Oh, I messed my sound up, but you know what I mean. Congratulations, Kid Poker. That is awesome. Why is my sound messed up? We don't got time for that. All right, I think I'm good. All right. That's awesome, Kid Poker, man. Just got me a Top Step X account. Let's go. Here's Johnny. Good luck. Micro Player, good morning. MM, hey, MM, how's it going, MM? Yes, thank you for that email. Thank you. And hopefully that is definitely an issue that I'm thinking about making a video to bring it even further into light. Hey, Brass Donkey. Here's Johnny. Don't do it. How long have I been doing trading, Sean? 2 years, almost 2 years. Yeah, Trip Candy, market opening strategy will go in. We will definitely be doing it this morning. We will definitely be doing it. Let's make sure I have everything ready. We got this. We got this. I gotta double check, make sure we're on micros. Hang on. Oh, I gotta make sure I'm on the right screen. Make sure we're on the 1 minute time frame. Everything is locked and loaded, boys. We're ready for it. We're ready. Peter Schapp, good morning. Nathan Ramirez, good morning. R5 Studios, good to see you. Good morning. Okay, market is open. Hey, thank you, Sean. I appreciate that. I struggled for a whole year, though, Sean. I went a full year of trading with 0 payouts. So, yeah, it's not always... It's all these payouts all of them have been this year alone. All right, we have the opening price right here at the 557. So we need to stay 5 points away from this in order to have a trade at the opening of the 3-minute candle. So it's technically like 2 minutes in. It's 2 minutes and 1 second is when our entry is. Good morning, Rat Poker. Lacey 4, good morning. Wow, this is really looking like it's definitely going to be a short this morning unless something happens here. As we continue to rip lower. It's not, I don't like seeing a big move before I get in. It makes me nervous, but like we said, this is all about following. We're just following a strategy. This is not about being right or wrong. We're just following the strat. So if we just gonna follow the rules, no intuition allowed. All right, we got 20 seconds away. 20 seconds away. Man, we're just gonna be ripping this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, I hit. Oh shoots. I messed up. Okay, whew. We got in. All right, so my stop is right here at the open. I'm going, like, this is a case where, I'm going to leave my stop where it is. This is one of those trades where this thing could rip up and stop us out like in the first 10 minutes here. Or I mean, 10 seconds. But that's all right. We're just going to follow the plan. And now we wait for the... So one thing, if the close of the 5-minute candle doesn't give us at least 30 ticks, then we don't close that first set of trades. We actually keep it open and we close it at the 10-minute close. So I think if we get down below this 525, I like our chances here. Hey, good morning, Almighty. It's feeling like it might want to pop here. This might be short-lived. All right, we have, this is now 1, 2, 3, 4. About 1 more minute before we potentially close this. All right, the close of this candle, if we have 30 ticks in profit, we close 6 contracts. If we don't, then I should actually try to just move this. I might use this to get out of my trade if I can. If we don't close within, then we just hold it. We hold the trade until the 10-minute close. This might be a close. We hold it till the 10-minute close here. I mean, it's kind of on the fence there, but we did not close below the 30, so... We're just hovering. We're hovering right here. Might be a choppy open. Might just be chopping back and forth here. Oh, I'm sorry, Captain Kirk. I don't know. This feels like it's going to bounce. This feels like it's going to rip higher, but I don't know. We'll wait and see. Man, this thing is very choppy right here. Not doing much. You need one more day of living to request again. Should I wait for Apex to react first before requesting again? I don't think I would, MM. I don't think I would. With the history with Apex and responding to those tickets, it's not a great I don't think I would, MM. All right, let's see. We might get stopped out here. This is bouncing like I was afraid of. Our only shot here is that we hold below the open, which is okay. It's a $600 stop loss. $600. We just never could get down below this, the 520s. 520s held up really, really well. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 9-minute candle. We got 1 more minute to hold. We do close this regardless of where we're at. We closed 6 of them. Or I mean 9 of them, actually. I think we're going to get stopped out. Okay, here we go. This is the moment of truth right here.
Stop, Phil.
And there you have it. Why is my sound... Okay, well, that does that. Hey, that's okay. We followed the rules. That's the only thing we can do. All right, let's see now what this market wants to do. What does this market want to do? Big rip higher? Or are we just going to keep going lower? I finally got my fan. I can keep myself cool now. Hopefully. Oh, buying volume is down. MACD RSI has room to breathe. Why a 3-minute? I just back tested it for 6 months, had really good results. Now we're forward testing it. Do you think the people that are getting denied for breaking improper risk management are actually breaking rules and not sharing it? Almighty. I think right now Apex has a glitch in their system with people that are DCAing into a position. It is calculating their original entry like all of the contracts are from that entry, I think. So I don't think it's necessarily 100%, but I do think there is 90% of them are breaking the rules. I mean, yeah, but I do think that there is an issue, and Apex is aware of, or Apex knows now that there is an issue, and from what I've been told, they're having meetings today to get it fixed. So hopefully that can be rectified ASAP. It worked today on silver and Bitcoin. Hey, that's awesome. You've never been denied. Wonder if your day is going to come. I mean, like I said, I think 90% of them are just trying to cry wolf, and it's not going to work. I mean, it's just not, but hey. What would I do if I got denied? I would probably just trade for 8 more days and request again, honestly. I do know of some people that did that. I know a couple people that got denied and then they just traded 8 more days. They requested again and they were approved. So right now, I mean, there's a couple things Apex needs to work on, but they need to get a better system in place for their denial. Like, they need to, when someone gets denied, they need to be told exactly when and what trade, that at least the day and the time that the violation happened. Like, and I know they're working on it and whatever. They just I don't know, but that needs to happen ASAP. And then the other thing they need to do is have a better process for people that got denied that feel like they definitely did not do anything wrong, and some way that they can submit an appeal with the evidence and show it to them. Right now that system is broken, or it doesn't feel like Apex. I have not heard of anyone getting a response from the compliance team that is not just a boilerplate answer. If I get denied, I would speak with Scott on Twitter. Yikes. I know I wouldn't go on Twitter. Yeah, exactly, Matty Matt. But some people have different methods. I mean, the other thing is, like, okay, I don't want to go off on a, but it's probably not a good idea if you're a streamer to be openly admitting to not caring about breaking the rules. It's probably not a great idea to be openly admitting, I don't care about any rules. I don't care about this and this rule. I'm going to trade however I want to trade. I don't know. That might not be a good strategy. And then be shocked if you get denied. I don't know. That's probably that's a bold move. Yeah, Dream Chaser. That's my point. That whole compliance email thing, I don't know that I've heard anyone actually get a response. Hey, you think you lost in heaven? Wow, look at this move. Now we just basically ripped higher and now we're all the way back down. Let's see if we make new lows. Yep, there she goes. There she goes. Down through the 520s. Is this going to be another red day? Feel like we kind of have to prepare ourselves for it. Feel like I kind of have to prepare for shorts. I'd love for us to get down below the 480s. If we get below the 480s, I think we got to look at taking shorts. Randomizer. No, you are allowed to DCA. But the main thing, you need to make sure you stay within the risk parameters. But right now, I think that there is a glitch with Apex's system that they need to fix that is basically affects people that DCA. That's my opinion. See if we continue. I mean, the 480s here, I feel like is pretty solid. The lows of Friday was 404. What a move lower we had Friday. Unbelievable. We have to make sure we need to keep an eye on Top Step today. Need to keep an eye on Top Step today, guys. We need to make sure we keep informed Top Step position at all times. I just had a phone back then. Hey, good morning, Lawrence. Good morning. When I first started watching stream and you would get quiet for a bit and start talking, I would get scared like, oh no, almighty. You were wrecked on Friday, but you were in demo. Hey, that's good. Good morning, Ace Undercover. Good morning. What is about to happen with Top Step, Christian? I don't know. I just want to we just want to make sure we track if they're in a position or not. Because it seems like all they do is lose. So I just don't want to be in the same position as they are. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they're long. Or someone is long. I'm not even sure who. Oh, it's the code is long. Okay. Well, we tested the VWAP up here. Top Step going under random? No, they're not going under. Oh yeah, Top Step they're in the profit, folks. Uh Hey, nicely done, Orlando. Nicely done. It does feel like this is just going to continue lower, but we shall see. Make sure I have everything correct on this account. Yep. Random barbarian. Yeah, there's a lot of information out there on a lot of fake stuff out there too. It's crazy how it one thing that continuously amazes me is there's a group of people that are way more worried about people that trade with Apex than they are worried about people just trading their own accounts. Like it's the same group of people. Like I go to different people's Apex videos and I see the same people chatting in all the different videos about how much they hate Apex. Like it's like, dude, I get it. You don't want to use Apex, then don't use him. But no, they feel the need to go in every single video and comment about it. It's like it's crazy. I guarantee you those people are not profitable. There is no shot. Those are the people that feel the need to complain about everything and everyone. A perfect example is a guy on Twitter, Dan Emmons. A perfect example. The guy is obsessed with hating on Apex. If he spent as much time trading and paying attention and just focusing on trading as he does hating on Apex, he'd probably have a lot more payouts. As we continue lower, is the 500 going to give us some support? Maybe. They're just venting most of the time is because they feel powerless. Yeah, that could be. Yeah, they all keep watching Kellyanne videos. Yep. And Kellyanne has admitted herself. Kellyanne has admitted herself that there's nothing Apex could do to make her not hate them. So basically, she's going to hate on them regardless what Apex does, just because she hates them. No unbiased there. All right, we're getting a bounce off the 500s. Can it hold? Can it hold? I mean, I kind of, man, I don't know how to think here, but I wouldn't be surprised if this goes higher. But right now, it just doesn't seem like we're getting anything in there. Yeah, R5. She listed them as a scam alert. Yeah, she listed them as a scam alert when they banned her. Ever since then, and it doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter. Like, I don't know. I don't know how people can take her seriously after she was the one that put fast track trading and was promoting fast track trading while she had Apex as a potential scam. Like, I don't know how that. I don't know, man. Yeah, random barbarian. No, I definitely agree. Apex has definitely changed in the last 6-8 months. No doubt about it. They have definitely done things that I wish they wouldn't have, and they're definitely not without blame. They're not without blame, but to call them a scam is that's a reach. I expect Kellyanne to enter the chat at any moment. Yeah, she's probably listening. She's always listening. uh all right, is this gonna rip down below the 500s or not? I love Kellyanne. That's right, Red Poker. What are we doing here, market? Hey, Martin AP, good morning. Good morning. Grandolph, good morning. Kellyanne is the mother that none of us had. All right, let's see if we get up through. We got to get above the 520s here for this to have a chance to reverse, but I do think we have a chance here to move higher. With the changes in dollars over the past few months, you can't help from having doubts. Like I say, I mean, what I always say, Ace Undercover, is have you personally been denied? Like, how has it personally affected you? Going off of what people say on the internet is, you got to remember there's a lot of people that have motivation. There's a lot of people that just love to spread anything negative. And go off of your personal experience instead of going off of some random stranger on the internet. And then, hey, if you like, I can understand. Okay, one thing I understand is if you look at Apex's rules, if you look at all of Apex's rules and you look at everything and you're like, yeah, I can't trade with those rules, and then you decide to move on, like, I completely respect that. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you're just basing your assumption off of what other people on the internet are saying, is try it out and actually see if you see for yourself, because it's not all true. It's always the silent, it's always the minority, the with the picket, the picket signs and the shovels that make the most noise. It makes me uncomfortable. Yeah, it's undercover. I mean, I don't. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Yeah, Trip Candy. I know it. Yeah. Hey, we're getting a nice move here. Getting a nice move higher. 540s now. Red poker. Yeah, that's one thing that I absolutely just despise. People that make videos and complain about Apex, but they know they broke the rule. It's like that is the dumbest, childish, most thing you can do. Like people know they broke the rule, but then they want to complain about that Apex just followed the rules that they put in place. Like, dude, if you can't follow the rule, then don't complain about it if you get denied. Or if you can't follow Apex's rules, then you shouldn't be trading with him. Period. All right, this does start to look promising here for a long. Let's see. Let's just see if we get a move here above the 580s, above the VWAP. Hey, finally Top Step is making money. Let's go. Man, my wrist still hurts. Okay, right here at the VWAP. Can we get above it? If we get above this 580, I think I'm gonna look for a long. We failed to make new lows here, and I do feel okay with going long if we get above this. Wow, this is looking very bullish all of a sudden. 580s now. This is a pretty impressive move right off of the 500s. 80-point rip higher, 85 points. 586 is about to get above the 590s. Now we just need a nice pullback. We can get a nice pullback here. We will jump on board. But yeah, I love to see us get above the 590s. Test the 600s. What instrument is this chart? This is NQ. Rules need to be black and white. Yeah, I agree, Gandalf. I don't disagree. I think the only kind of gray area rule right now, or the biggest gray area rule that I don't like, is the contract consistency, which I haven't really seen that be an issue, but I really don't think that needs to be a rule at all. I think they should remove that rule, but it's just my opinion. And then I think they also need to have a clear rule on the 30% drawdown rule. Like, how many times can you break that rule before you get denied? Just set a number. Don't make it vague. Don't make it a gray area. Just tell us. Is it 5 times? Is it 3 times? Is it 8 times? How many times can you break that 30% rule before you get denied? Just be Black and white. That's all we need. We need black and white rules. Hey, Matthew, good morning. How we doing? We're doing all right. We took our opening range trade 3-minute strat this morning. Did not work, which is fine. We have about a little bit over a 50% win rate on the strategy, so we're going to have our losses for sure. Losses are part of it. Okay, I just don't want this to double top here and then pull all the way back down. Man, it's tempting me to go long right here. Man, I don't want to go long right here at this double top, though. I do like this, and I kind of like this trade right here at the 80s. I think we're going to rip up through the 90s and go to the 600s, but high of the overnight session is all the way up here at the 656s. So we got plenty of room to the upside. Let's see if we get above that. There we go, 590s. $590s. Let's see if we can get above it. It's trying. And now rejecting off of that. Plenty for the downside. Yeah, that's true. Oh, why should the drawdown and contract consistency rule even exist if not for a reason to deny? I mean, Mike, there's other reasons, but yeah, if you want to believe that, then go for it. I'm not going to convince you otherwise. All right, pulling back. But if you really want to know, it's because people were, yeah, it is what it is. I'm not even, it doesn't matter. People were YOLOing the start of a PA account, getting it to 15,000 in profits, and then scaling down to one contract. And then they would just trade for, yeah. Which, I mean, yeah, it is what it is, but people were basically YOLOing and gambling the beginning of the account, and they would do that for, they might blow 15, 20 accounts, but then one of them would work. And then that's, and I mean, let's be honest, that's not trading. That's not trading. And I don't disagree, Mike. That's what I'm saying. They should do either like just do the contract scaling so that there is no need to have the inconsistency rule. Mr. Bond, I think we all know the answer to that. Well, we rejected off the 590s. I don't know. I just don't want to be buying up here at that double top. Oh, and now we're ripping. Oh, I kind of wish I would just get... Let's see if we break. Okay, there we go, above the 590s. Got approved for my first Apex payout today. Let's go. Are you serious, Cisco Media? This is for you, Cisco. Hang on. This one is for you. Wait, why is my sound not working? Oh, I know why. Hang on. Jeez, did I forget how to change this? Are we going higher? And I'm not missing it. I'm not getting in on this. Oh, jeez. Okay, this is for you. This is for you, Cisco. Let's go. Nicely done. Nicely done. Wait, were you guys able to hear the sound? Hey, investors in the building. How's it going? How did I pass the 300K account? A news event. On the last week's CPI news, I passed it. Withdrew from my fund of futures, they have to be one of the fastest. Yeah, I've heard, investors. I've heard as well. That's awesome. That is awesome. What daily profit do I strive for? I mean, 200-300 a day. I'm usually very happy about. Do you know of anyone being taken off of probation from September? Okay, I do have some news on the probationary status thing. So, okay, I think I can share this. I might get in trouble. I'm gonna share it. I think I can share it, but so people that were put in probation, they are focusing on reevaluating and removing people and taking people off of probation, especially if you were put on probation before the Apex 3.0 came out. So that's what I was told. Let me look at exactly what I was said. So they said in the next week or two. They said by the next week or two, they hope to have gone through all of them and remove people off probation and etc. So, yeah, hopefully that happens sooner rather than later. All right, we are at the 610s. I definitely need to just look for a long here. This is very, very bullish. Wow, we are just ripping this thing higher. Six tens right through the 600s. All right, we just need a nice pullback now. We don't ask for much, but we need a pullback. I would prefer a pullback now, not just have this thing go straight up. Anybody catch this move? Is still Apex 1 day to pass? Yes. How was I able to get more PAs? I don't know. I just passed more evals. Oh, being on cap. Well, William, hopefully that will change here soon. Nice, M. Susan. Let's go. But yeah, I'm hoping that the whole probation thing, I never understood. I never understood that because some people were saying it's people were put on probation that were profitable or too profitable, but that's not really true. There was people being put on probation that were negative, like lost money overall with Apex so far, and it just didn't make no sense to me. All right, 620s. Looks like we are about to push the 620s here. Just no pullback. Come on. This is one of those moves where if you chase this move, it will 100% give us the pullback like all the way down to the 580s again. But if you're wait and be patient, it'll just keep going higher. Okay, maybe not. I talked it into existence. Give me a nice entry. See, we can pull back to the 600s here. Mm-hmm. Don't just Hey, Traitorous Chick, good morning. D-Versatility, good morning. Man, this is not even giving me an entry here. Do I just go for it? I know if I jump in here, it's... It's just gonna go without me. Hmm. I guess we wait. I'm not muted. I'm just not talking much. I'm trying to get okay, now we get go, Lamar. You scared me.
Yeah.
You little shorty, you.
Yeah. I'm knocking on the door, honey.
You scared me.
Yeah, and I bam on the door.
Arrgh.
And I bam on the doors.
Yeah, you did bang on the doors.
I bang on 2 doors. And I knock out.
I see.
That was it, people. Tell us.
Yeah, don't turn it red. They can't hear you.
Yeah.
Did you say hi to everyone? Yes, Mr. Push-Up. It is still one day to pass. See,
Daddy. Dad. What is green?
all right, I'm going to take this.
Yeah, this green is so powerful.
Okay, Cody, can you say go up?
Go up.
Come on, market. Go higher.
Go higher.
Yeah, tell it. Be a cheer. Go, baby, go.
Go.
Say rip it.
Whip it.
Rip it.
Whip it.
I love it. That's awesome. Say it again. Rip it.
Whip it.
Rip it. Uh-oh.
Huh?
It's coming down. Oh, no.
We need to go up.
Yeah, tell it rip it.
Whip it.
He's definitely going to be a trader. I guess we wait. All right. Can you tell everyone bye?
Bye. Thanks for watching. No, I'm gonna turn it.
Okay. That's awesome. Come on, market. Order filled. Order filled. Boom. Come on. Rip it. Rip it. You can do it. I want to see this thing at the 640s. Actually, 640 should be my target. Push it. Push, push, push. Come on. Come on. Don't give up on me now. The Cody indicator is on point. I love it. Man. What do I want to do with this? Come on. Go. Push it. Push. Push it harder. Just give me one big green candle. Hit me on the 640s. We can move on to the next trade. Let's go. All right, I'm just going to take it. And, of course, we got phantom orders. Uh-oh. Am I still in? Nope. Phantom orders. All right, we're all good. Everybody's safe. Nobody got hurt. All right, we'll take that. If we get another pullback, we are going to just keep... We're going to keep buying pullbacks here. I think we have plenty of upside. The 650s are definitely going to be an area of importance. We need to get above the 650s. So I'd love to see this go to the 650, pull back to like the 630s, give me another entry, and then rip through the 650s. If I could just tell the market what to do, that's what I would tell it to do. Guess what 2625 is? What is it, Ace Undercover? Tell me. I have a 25K account with a 30% rule. Does that mean my largest day can exceed? If you plan to withdraw at $1,600 in profit, then yes, you are correct, Ken. Hey, Kiss Me I Cooked in the building. Kiss Me I Cooked. Kiss Me I Cooked in the building. Here, this is for you, Kiss Me I Cooked. This is for you. Let's go. You know what that's for. All right, we whip right through the 640s. I definitely could have held there. Let's see if we go and test that 650 area right here. 640s might also be some resistance. And then we have the 650s. Let's go. Equalizer. Apex got another payout in there for me within like 8 hours before I was paid. Say again, Equalizer? You're saying the long opportunity has been 8:30 and now has been... Yeah, it's... So, got another payout. Are you saying, Equalizer, you've been approved a payout? $650s, here we go. Why is it every time I take profit, the market keeps going higher with zero pullback? Never fails. Never fails, man. And there's 650. Can we get a pullback? Please. Come to Papa. I need a pullback now. Don't just keep going higher, please. Oh, my stars. 660s now. 661s. The shorts are getting squeezed. And I mean squeezed hard. And why did I not hold every time? I was approved in 24 hours and it was in your account within 8 hours from that point. Let's go, Equalizer. This is for you. Let's go, Equalizer. See, you can't believe all the FUD you're hearing. Oh, I got denied. I got denied. Well, if you can't follow the rules, sometimes you get denied. There are people, I will say, there are definitely people that followed the rules and that have gotten denied. I have seen it, so I do know that that has happened. But I think I know why. It's been discovered on how and why that is happening. And it's because of the software that Apex is using. It is miscalculating the drawdown rule. And hopefully that will be sorted out and fixed here ASAP. All right, 670s. It is pushing straight to the moon. Unbelievable. Of course I didn't hold. Hey, Alpine Trader in the house. Good morning, Alpine. I heard you're not feeling so good. I hope you're feeling better, man. I hope you get well soon, man. That is no fun being sick. The same, for some reason, it's only easy to hold losers and not winners. I know, Kid Poker. Okay, you know what else is crazy? It's a crazy fever. Oh, that is not fun, Alpine. Get some apple cider vinegar. Take a hot bath and put apple cider vinegar and Epsom salt into the water and take a bath in that. You will break your fever. Just don't put too much in. It can actually be kind of dangerous. David say, you're new to the future trading. What is Apex Trader funding? Oh, man. David, man, it's so basically prop firms are a way that you can lower your tuition cost. That's how I explain it best, is it's a way to lower your tuition cost instead of taking your hard-earned $2,000 and putting it into a, you know, brokerage and trading futures that way. Especially if you're new, you're almost guaranteed to lose that $2,000. You can do that using prop firms where you pass an evaluation. Once you pass the evaluation, stay within the rules on the funded account, and then you can get payouts by staying within the rules, staying within the parameters of, you know, of the payout thresholds. There's a lot to know. But yeah, that is basically how it works. You still get paid out real money even though you're trading on a sim account. You're not actually trading on the live market. You will still get paid out. Pneumonia breakout where you live, Matty Matt. Really? Yikes. That's not good. I do not need that. Friday wedding was crazy hot in the ballrooms, and when we were loading equipment was sweating, then going outside in the cold wind. Yeah, that is a recipe for high fever and getting sick. Yeah, David, I mean, that's the brief 5-minute version. If you want to know more, I have a lot of videos on my channel about it. There's a lot of different prop firms you can choose from. There's Apex, there's Top Step, there's My Funded Futures, and each one has their pros and cons to it. Apex probably has one of the lower costs of entry where you can get in for the least amount of money. But you do your own research, you decide what's best for you and how you trade, and you use whoever you want to use. All right, 686 this is insanity, and I am super sad that I did not decide to try and get a runner going. We'd be up about $2 million right now if I just let my runner go. Unbelievable. But who expected this to go just straight up from the 611s to the 690s? I know I didn't. I thought at least we would pull back at the 640s or 650s, but it's just squeezing them shorts. Profits are profits. Thank you, Peter Schaap. Thanks for reminding me. Profits are profits. Oh, I'm sorry, Black Coffee. I'm already done trading my UProfit account. But I do have... Where? Here, I can show you guys my UProfit account. Hopefully Wednesday we can take another payout. What's up with your Take Profit Trader account? Investors, I don't know if you were here for it or not. I can no longer speak on Take Profit Trader because it's just a very ugly word for me right now. It hurts too much. The pain is too raw. The pain is too raw for me to talk about Take Profit Trader right now. I was bearish at the open, lost my first trade, and then the market turned bullish, was able to get back in green. Let's go, Citizen Zero. Nicely done. Yeah, this market is wild. It is. I mean, okay, are we at least going to get a pullback on the 700s? Oh. Oh no, Top Step is now negative. Dang it. They had it right. All they had to do was just keep going long, man. Hey, Dakota's at least Dakota's is up 5 grand. I'm not sure why they don't just let Dakota's trade the live house account. Seems like he would do a lot better. Okay, are we going to get a pullback here? Please. I'm going to be a little bit patient here because I think we might get a little bit overextended pullback just from this crazy of a move higher. But this was a big move higher on pretty decent volume, so we might not pull back much. We might miss it. They took the money out of my account, but nothing on the bank account yet. Yeah, kiss me. It'll be tomorrow, probably. It usually is 2 days. 2 days, 1 or 2 days, kiss me, I cooked. So you got nothing to worry about at this point. Trust me. You've been approved. I don't blame you for being a little bit hesitant, but you're good. 668 might be good if it happens before 711. I just want to see a nice pullback entry. I'd love for this to pull back to like the 660s. I love for this to pull back to like the 660s here. Gonna try and be patient though. All right, down to the 670s. Right down to 670s here. Hmm. Man, oh man. See, I need to. This is, I'm not crazy about this entry, but you gotta take it. Hmm. Come on, just fill me on that first target at least. It's doing the trap. I hate where my stop is. I actually hate my stop. I feel like my stop should be here. That's such a big stop. I don't like it. Ooh, do 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 do. I'm gonna look for a better entry. I don't know. Oh, it's just a glitch. Hang on. There we go. It's just a glitch. Ninja Trader does that sometimes with copy trading. It'll show like phantom orders and it's not. I don't know. I just did not like that. I might regret this. I might regret it, but I'm gonna have to be okay with it. It's a decision I made and I gotta live with it now. No hindsight. No hindsight allowed. I'm gonna go grab my I need to grab a water. I'll be right back. I'm starting to have regrets. I just really want to see the I want to see this pull back to like the 660s, but we might not get it. We might not get it. It's going to be very disappointing if we don't get it, and then very choppy all of a sudden. I'll go short for you so it will go higher. I appreciate the sacrifice. Hey, good morning, Ario. Jimenez, if we break a rule on your day one of PA, is there a way to remedy to that or just request and expect to be denied? Aluatosin, yeah, I've been thinking about that too. I mean, I think the best method is just to request, expect denied, and then trade 8 more days and get it, move on, because I think that's the best way to do it. I think so. We're on our way to reverse Friday. It seems like that, M. Susan. It does seem like it. It seems like it, and I'm starting to wish. I almost want to enter again here. Like, I want to enter right here. Ugh, it scares me though. You know what? Here's the plan. We're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. If this rips higher now and it rips above the 700s, I'm going to be okay with it. And we're going to enter on another pullback. That's the plan. If this comes down to this 660 area and gives us a good entry, then we'll take it. But we're just going to be okay with missing this move. That's what we have to be okay with. In real trading world, putting our money, we won't make any dime and lose our shirts. Yeah, Meg Alpine. I agree. I think, you never know. A year from now, we might look back at some of these. I don't know. We might look back a year from now and be like, man, did we have it nice back in a year ago? All right, see this? Man, I want to go long so hard right now. Oh. How soon can you expect to get paid after getting your payout approved? Usually within 2 days, Mars. 1 to 2 days, usually. What's with my take profit trader, DS? Like I said, it's still a little too raw for me to talk about, okay? I'm not ready. Actually, I did talk about it on Friday. I talked about it on Friday. If you really want to know what happened. I don't know what time of day I talked about it, but if you want to skip forward, I don't have the Take Profit Pro account anymore. That is the fast forward option. I could go on a rampage and a rant about how I lost the account, but I'm just not going to do that. All right, here we go down to the 680s. Bring it down to the 660s here. Come on. Come on, market. It's just everything is getting bought up. I've seen this movie before. I have seen it before, and everything is just getting gobbled up. And I want to go long. I'm going to do it. I don't know. This is me going a little off record. I just can't help it. Just can't help myself. I'm not even going to watch the price. I'm not even going to watch it. This comes down now, I'm gonna be so upset. Ouch. Oh man, I just actually totally went opposite of what I said I should do. Come on, market. I messed up trying to chase this. I did. I messed up trying to chase it. Why do I do it? Why did I do it? Why? No discipline. Not disciplined enough. I thought I thought I was going to miss the move if I don't do it. That's always what gets us. We think we're going to miss a move, then we just jump in. Accept and reset. Hey, you know what? I'm accepting this loss. This is what I'm doing. I'm talking through it, but I'm accepting this loss. We're going to accept this loss now so that we don't freak out when it happens. And if we hit our profit target by some miraculous intervention, then we'll just be even more happy. You know, we can't lose at this point. We expect the worst, and then we are surprised by good results. That's how we do it here. Keep things on an even keel. Hey, like we said, we've accepted the loss. It's totally okay. Man, it's still disappointing that I felt the need to chase this trade for some reason. Get your son. Where's Cody? Get in here, Cody. We need you to say rip it. I watched this trader say he thinks of every trade like he's buying a trade, whatever the stop loss is. Ah. See, that's a good way to look at it, Kid Poker. I never thought about it that way, but that's also a really good way to look at it. Like, it's just, I think the key is you just have to accept your loss before you enter the trade. You got to. And you got to continually talk to yourself about accepting the loss so that you do accept the loss. It's just weird how that works, but it's true. How do I show MNQ trades on the NQ chart? ACE-DD. So I have this chart trader from Ace, Affordable Indicators chart trader. And right here, do you see, you might not be able to see this, but right here it says micro. If I click on this, it'll switch to mini. Whatever this says is what it will trade. So even though I have the NQ chart up, I can click this and then so it'll say micro, and then it will trade micros. It's a really easy way to switch between micros and minis without having to switch charts. I like it. I really like it. But yeah. The moment of truth. This is going to be the moment of truth right here. We're either going to rip down lower now, or this is going to get bought up and trap the shorts. And then we're going to be, we might actually be okay on this trade, but this is going to be the moment of truth here. We need to get some momentum here. We got to get momentum here. This is going to rip lower, I'm afraid. Come on, market. Rip it. Rip it higher. Come on, rip it. My entry's going to be resistance. Watch. My entry's going to be resistance. Look at that. My entry's going to be the Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. Man, this is so tempting to just close it. It's going for those highs. I hope, but I don't know, man. Sitting on this side of it, I don't like the looks of this for the bulls. I hope I'm wrong, though. Man, I hope I'm wrong. Volume has died down significantly. Just really need to break above that 90. Break above the 90s, take out the 700s, and then let's go. Come on, baby, go. Go. Rip it. Please do it for the stream. Do it for the stream. Do it. Oh, come on. I'm about to just take some off here. Okay, we can all breathe. I can now breathe. Everything's fine. Let's go. 720s here. Come on. Do not double top here, please. Don't double top. Don't double top. I should maybe just move my stop to break even here. Oh, I do not want to see this double top with this low a volume. I'm gonna, oh, this makes me want to vomit. $2. It was more than $2, you buffoon. Try me. Hey, I didn't want to sit through a double top, okay? I know it wasn't much, but we're gonna take it. But you're right, it wasn't much more. I think it was $12 if we want to argue about it. I think it was $12. But you know what $12 is? $12 green is better than $90 red. Okay? I just did the math. I got a calculator right here, and I just did the math, and negative $90 is worse than $12 green. So $12 green is better. I just did the math. Confirmed. Just in case you weren't sure, maybe. $2 is $2. This will pay for my Wendy's. I really need this to break above the 700s. Good grief. Just do it already. It's driving me insane. Go. Maybe we need to blow on it. I'm going to break the internet with that math. I know, Alpine. It's big brain up here. I might not look the part, but I'm actually known to be pretty smart. It's Amish math. I did it on my fingers and my toes. If we don't break out here, I will dead serious. I will take another $2 profit. And I will be proud of it. Go! Oh, for the love of everything holy. Please go higher. Break above the 700s right here. Do it. You know what? Go ahead. Just take me out. Take me home. Take me home, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We did it. Wait, did we do it? Hang on. Yeah, we're good. That was the easiest trade I've had, like, the easiest trade I've had in a long time. Never a doubt. Never a doubt. Never doubted it for a second. Oh, man, that was rough. I'll be honest. Let's not do that again, okay? Can we all agree? Can we all agree to not do that again? Because I agreed to it. I pledge right now to not chase and to follow what I said. Instead of chasing, let's just not do that again. That was not fun. I have no more fingernails. My fingernails are gone. Hey, we made the right choice. We might have just taken profit at the top here. Probably not. Buying high is always scary. Exactly, Equalizer. Exactly. It is very scary. Fingernails are gone. You're waiting. You feel like I'm 60 years old. Every day I feel older. You know what? I might actually, hang on, let me look something up. You guys know what I did this weekend? I know most of you are going to be jealous, but I played about 10 hours of Farming Simulator 25. Let me just tell you, man. Farming Simulators, I'm about to stream that full time. What do you think, guys? Farming Simulator 25 for the win. I'm actually buying a steering wheel and a joystick and pedals. We're going all out. We're going all out. We're getting the steering wheel. We got to do it right. We're going to take this Farming Simulator thing very seriously. The farm, we inherited the farm from Grandpa. Wrong crowd, I imagine. You might be right. But I don't care. That's the problem. I think that would actually help. Like, I should do the farming, and I could just show you guys farming, like, just a very small part of the screen. And I would be farming, but watching the markets as well. And that way I would have more patience. It would be like a way to be a patient. I could farm as I'm waiting for my setups. And then I can continue farming as I'm in the trade, because that will also make it so I'm more patient. And slowly over time, I'll slowly convert every one of you into being a die-hard Farming Simulator fan. And we'll create our own server, and we'll have like 200 farms on one server. And we'll just be farming away, and it'll be a brand new strategy to trading. Everyone will be a Farming Simulator addict and very patient when they trade, because they're actually going to love farming more than trading. But trading is how you're going to make money in the real life, but it's going to help you be patient with your setups. So everyone's going to be farming. Then you're going to see a setup. You're going to take your trade, put your stop where it needs to be, put on your take profit, and there you go. And if you go on tilt, you can just buy the biggest tractor and just start destroying farms, if that makes you feel better. You just go destroy your farm instead of your accounts. What is my daily profit target? Honestly, sometimes I'm not sure. I feel like my target needs to be higher because these accounts, they're struggling a little bit. If it helps with patience, sign me up. See, we already got one. D-versatility. You'd make a great farmer. I can just tell. You'd make a great farmer. And on top of everything else, as a bonus, you guys would learn how to farm. Because the Farming Simulator 25, it's actually legit like real life. You farm like you do in real life. Just saying. I think we have some potential good farmers in here. Mr. Jones. And then pretty soon Apex. Apex will have a new rule. Apex will have a new rule because too many people are getting payouts because of Farming Simulator. Too many people. So Apex, a new rule. You can no longer play Farming Simulator as you trade. That would be when we know we've broken the internet officially. Okay, we have 20 farms. Yeah, I guess you probably could. Yeah. Farming Simulator should include crop futures trading. Oh, nomadic futures. See, it is kind of like trading because so in the springtime, you need to decide which crops to plant. And you kind of base that off of the market and what you think the market is going to be like come harvest time. So it is a little bit like trading, actually. Iran, I'm just saying. Apex 4.0 rules. No farming while trading. Oh, that's too funny. I don't care. That's funny. Can you copy farm 20 farms? Yeah, futures was originally created as a hedging tool for farmers, Dan. I know. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, farmers trade all the time. I know that farmers buy futures for corn. Like they'll plant in the spring. They'll buy the corn futures for the fall to lock in their prices. And I'm not even sure that some of the, I mean, I know the big farms definitely do it, but some of the smaller farms might not do it. But futures trading in farming is actually a very, it's a necessity. I should do a stream where it's 100% corn futures. You know what would be funny? We should start, here's what we'll do. We'll start a series where we'll be trading, but the rules of the trading is we can only trade corn futures, wheat futures, and cattle futures, and pig futures as we farm, and then we're making money real life and losing money real life as we farm. Oh man, Mikey, if you've ever played Farming Simulator, it will take you down. It's a crazy. Farming Simulator is a great game to play if you have plenty of time. But if you don't have much time, it will suck out a lot of your time. And it's also been known to frustrate your wife. I cannot confirm nor deny, but supposedly rumor has it that my honey-do list struggles a little bit when the farming is going on. I mean, what can I say? I got some plowing and planting to do. The honey-do list can wait. I'm really glad my wife didn't hear that. All right, boys. Oh, see, I'm no longer as excited about longs as I was, but this is looking like a grinding higher kind of day. I play American Truck Simulator and enter a black hole of time. Oh yeah, Daryl, same. Why not a GTA server? I never really got into the GTA. I don't know. I'm sure I would probably if I gave it some chance, but I just prefer the farming simulator. There's always stuff to do. There's always things to do. And it's so hard to just stop playing. It's so hard. But anyway, I better check my phone. I've been getting messages. Grow some cotton on simulator and I'll show you how to go broke. Yeah. I have an RP voice. I could definitely I could play the part. If I would play GTA, I would just play like I would play like I'm a day trader, you know? Like I'm a degenerate day trader that sometimes works at Wendy's. Oh man, what is this market gonna do now? Did I? Oh, never mind. Can't go lower and it can't go higher. It seems like it. I mean, it's grinding higher at least, but it's definitely taking its good old time. It's the old lunchtime chop fest. Oh, police simulator? Can I steal other farmers' crops? No, no, we do not do that. We all get along. All the neighbors, see, this is what's really fun. Like when you do corn and you want to do silage, it usually takes a lot of manpower. So on the server, the farmers will help each other farm. Like they'll be like, "Hey, can I get some help?" You know, you'll put out, "Hey, can I get some help to I'm going to do corn silage." Cuz you need people to run the silage machine, you need to get people to bringing the silage back to the bunker. You need you need tractors to pack the silage as you bring it into the bunker. So it's really nice to have 3 or 4 people helping you do silage. So then you just round up all the neighboring farmers and they'll come in and help. It's a grand old time, you know, and then when it's his time to go do silage, we go help them. It's a big old friendly, happy community. It's a great time. I'm telling you guys, it's a great time. Feel like I should somehow be sponsored by Farming Simulator 25. I'm not sure how that works, but you can I spawn tornadoes and hail on other farmers, Mr. Wall Street? Nope. It's like an Amish barn raising. David Wren, exactly. Can you plant any special crops? I don't think they have like weed or stuff like that that you can do. I don't think so. Now there's a lot of mods. Like the mod community for Farming Simulator 25 is huge. There's always tons of mods coming out. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's available as a mod. All right, market. I just feel like we have died. We have slowly died here. I'm really glad that I'm no longer in that trade. Afghan heroin mod. I don't know if I would go that far. Yeah, money bag. It did. NQ just took a nap officially. Oh, I feel like it needs to pull back more. I would feel way better about going long if it would pull back to the 60s or 50s. Right now, but hey, it's grinding higher, just slowly but surely. It's grinding higher. So I guess, you know, you got to go with the flow. By the way, I wanted to ask some of you guys that, you know, are more in. Did Tradeify eliminate their daily loss limit? Hey, we broke above the 710s. Yeah, Mikey, it is lower volume. We're grinding higher on lower volume. It's always a dangerous game you're playing. Oh, once you hit the target profit. But does it stay away? Does it stay away at that point? Or like if you go down below the profit target, then it comes back? So I'd be a little more interested if we, I don't know, maybe I'll try out a Tradeify account. I don't know. There's some questions on. I've seen and heard some questionable past from Mr. Simba, that he has fleeced or rug pulled some other business ventures that he's had in the past. So that makes me a little bit concerned, but I know he's not a sole owner, but still, I don't know. What do you guys think about Tradeify? Not trailing, but does stop once dashboard updates. Okay, I see. Yeah, and then the other day I saw that. Okay, there's a couple of things I just do not care for with a prop firm, or things I don't care for in a prop firm owner. There's a couple things. One is constantly making fun of or just going after other prop firms. I'm just not a big fan of it.
Hi.
Hey, bud, what's up? Did we hit the 720s? Nope, not quite. Daddy rich yet? Try me. If I'm expecting any big Black Friday prop sales, I'm sure there will be. I like the less rules. Yeah. Cody grew up quick. Uh Hang on 1 second. Okay, I'm back. That took longer than expected. Trying to get I trade only 150K accounts. What you think about to try the 25K accounts? Okay, boys. What are we doing here? Man, we're just grinding, slowly grinding higher. Yeah, Eddie, it is true. It's kind of makes it pretty difficult in the beginning, but once you're above the buffer, then it's really nice. Drawdown is pipe, but if you trade micros, it's minimal. Yeah, getting over that buffer is definitely where it is. That's where the difficulty is in. Yeah, we're not really getting any significant pullback. I mean, they basically reversing what it did Friday. It's basically reversing Friday's move. How close are we? I mean, we still got a ways to go. If we calculate basically the 90s, I mean, we still got a ways to go. Here's the daily. The daily chart looks like this. Huh. I don't know what to... I don't know. It's just going to grind higher all day long. Do I copy trade evals? Usually I do, Board Yeti. Usually I do. Trading ever after. Yeah, I know. Will I be doing more personal live trading, Mikey? I mean, yeah, I have this one live account now. Basically, my plan was on this account that basically just grow this account with the rest of these accounts. And when I go to take a payout from these accounts, if I request a payout from Apex on these accounts, I do the same on my live account. That's my plan, just to continue to take payouts the same way I do with my Apex accounts is my plan. What if you don't approve yourself? Benjamin. That's right. I'll if I get denied on Apex, I'll deny myself. No money for you. No soup for you. Hammer 12. I guess it had something to do with he had an options. He had like an options thing that he kind of left people hanging. He got people to buy into his options signal call out and then just disappeared. And then there's also something about a crypto. He was going to I guess a lot of people put money into some kind of crypto thing, and that whole thing just disappeared as well. So I don't know, definitely a little bit of a questionable transactions in the past that I'm not a big fan of. Okay, here's a pullback. Here we are at the 720s. Kind of a I mean, I really don't see any resistance here until the 800s. Not really a reason. I mean, I think we'll just look, see if we get an entry, and then take it. I don't know his past, but I'm trading the accounts and no red flags so far. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't mean that there's issues, but I know that's just what I've been seeing, what some people have been talking about, but I have no reason to think that there's anything major. I don't know, we'll see. You've been taking payouts on 5 top step XFAs and thinking about getting into Apex. I don't believe I can do a bracket order copy trading on Tradeovate, considering Ninja with a trade copier. Yeah, you can do Ninja. Oh, wow, look at this pullback. All right, we're finally getting a little bigger pullback here. Let's just be patient. A little more volume coming in now as well. Might, maybe this got some legs. It's feeling a little bit like we might rip this thing lower. We get down below this 670 here. Not sure I'm going to be too excited about going long anymore. But let's wait and see. Yeah, Hammer 12. I'm a firm believer in that people can change. You know, people can learn from their mistakes in the past and they can change. So I'm more likely, or a little more, it's just more one of those things where, hey, just something to be aware of. How to take profit account. Did you get the withdrawal and what do you think about them? Yeah, Ariel, you must not have heard. It still hurts to talk about it, but my take profit trader account is bye-bye. She went. I don't know. I don't even want to talk about it, but it was ugly. It was ugly. Absolutely destroyed. Okay, boys, this is testing this 670s now, and if we don't hold this, I'm not that interested in going long anymore. We're getting a lot bigger volume here on this move lower and a lot more selling. So I think we will sit on the sidelines. There she goes, down below the 665s. Big move lower here. The bears have been waiting for this. Here we go. 660s being tested. It's a lot. There's a big pullback. I'm not too interested in going long. Whew. Wait, Ryan Lorello, so livid. $4,000 because of 0.009%. What happened, Ryan? Not touching Tape Profit Trader anymore. Their daily hard stop is ridiculous. Tech. Yeah, I don't disagree with you there. I don't. I think they're that daily loss limit and the fact that on the pro account they have that daily loss limit and an intraday trailing drawdown. It's pretty rough. What streaming software do I use? I use Streamlabs is what I use. Okay, here we go. We're just continuing to go lower here. Down to the 655s, testing the 655s here maybe. We have VWAP all the way down here at the 600s. We are ripping this thing lower. You didn't even reach your liquidation price. It was off by 0.009%. What the world? The dump at 828? Oh no. That sounds like that sounds like Forex. Is that a Forex prop firm? That's crazy. Oh man, I'm sorry, man. That is not fun. What happened? I said you were up 3K and you said I was done at 3K. Yeah, Ariel. I know. Don't have to remind me. I was a bad, bad boy. What I say and what I do are sometimes two different things, I've noticed. And for some reason, Take Profit Trader is I don't know. I just can't do it. It's my funded futures. Oh, you had 4K profit, lost 5K profit in 10 minutes by less than one tick. Oh, that is brutal, Ryan. That is so wrong. Ah. Man, part of me like feel like we should actually look for a short setup here. Lots of selling pressure here. And down we go. About to test the 40s here. There we go, testing the 40s. The only thing that the 1 minute chart doesn't give you more signals. Stephen Yang, it does actually do. It does give me more signals. It's actually kind of weird you say that because that I use the 1 minute chart on that 3 minute strategy. I actually have the 1 minute chart open now, and I'm watching the 1 minute chart a lot more. And I do notice that the 1 minute chart does give a lot more signals, and I kind of like it when we're seeing a really nice strong uptrend, but it also gives a lot more false signals as well. Sells are being absorbed pretty well. I would not go short. My entry is 26.50. Dipped all the way down in 10 minutes to 25.82 and a quarter. And you got liquidated at 25.82 and a half. Dude, that's so wrong. I feel like a prop firm should allow someone a mulligan like once per year. One time. Just one mulligan per year. Like, hey, my bad. Let's just pretend like I didn't make that trade. Oh, that is so painful. They should allow one mulligan per year. Just use it wisely. With how many contracts? I mean, maybe have a limit on the dollar amount or something. I don't know, but just have a mulligan. You got shot in the tick that hard. Yeah, that's a big yikes. I'm not sure what I would do. Actually, I know what I would do because it happened to me with my Take Profit Trader account. It wasn't by one tick. I think I looked at it. It ended up being like 4 ticks, but similar, man. Oh, see, this is technically testing me kind of with an entry here, but I'm not. Man, we could, if we were really aggressive here, but I'm not gonna do it. But 1 tick or 100 ticks doesn't matter. Your trade was wrong. Revan, don't tell me that. Don't tell me something that I know. I only trade 3 minis. I copy traded 9 minis. Oh, wow. I see, Ryan. 26.50, 25.80. Losing 4 grand is over leveraging. It probably is. Probably is. Okay. See, this. I'm going to wait. And actually, I'm probably going to look to take a short entry here if we get it. Right now, my entry would be right here. We're really aggressive. Look for a move down to the 600s, but this is rips higher. We'll get out. We'll cancel this. That was a lot of selling. Oh dear, here we go. We might get filled. Oh boy, is he gonna do one of those trappy traps? I don't like it. It makes me nervous. All right, now we could enter below this. I think we would be safe. Right here. Doesn't look like we're going to get filled, which is fine. Man, I need to use the restroom. Really bad. All right, yeah, this doesn't look like it's going to give me anything. All right, I need to use the restroom real quick. And we're back. This is interesting. We could actually see. Will this could have gotten my entry right here at the 55s. See if we make new lows. See if we go down below this 640 area. Looks like it might be a slow bleed lower now. That's right, Francis. That is right. If your PA crossed the trailing drawdown for $5, but Apex didn't register it as failing, do you think it's worth continuing to trade, or will it just deny payouts down the road because of that? No, John Doe. They won't deny payouts because of that. Just keep. If you saw it take a little bit and it didn't liquidate you, then keep trading it and you are good to go. All right, here we go. If we break down below the 640s, man, would have been a nice short there, but we fail to go, if we fail to make new lows here, then, and we start pushing higher, I kind of like a long right here. Actually, I'm going to take this. If it hits, if it fills me, we're in. And we're in. Okay, don't give it, don't. Rip this thing higher. Come on, baby. I don't play these setups that much, but might be a failure here. I guess we'll wait and see. Yeah, I don't know about this. Doesn't look good. We might take the L on this one. Don't like that long wick. I don't like it. Hey, I like this. Rip it, baby. Rip it. Rip it. Trap the shorts. Let's go. Don't trap me. Trap everyone else. All right, I'm going to take some off right there just to lock it in. And then I'm going to take the rest off right here. Not looking for anything too crazy here. Just I will take my profit and run. If we start seeing this thing fail, we're just going to get out. Come on, just rip it. Just rip it to my target and let's move on. Hey, Empire Steve in the house. How we doing? Yeah, I could leave a... Actually, what... I guess I could take one off. I could take one off. I don't know how I feel about that. Passed a MFF account today. It's your second account. Let's go make sounds. Good luck. Good luck, sir. Hey, Mr. Ponzi is in the house. How's it going, Ponzi? Were you busy making money on Friday? I hope you were. You should have been. Okay, now I'm not sure. Do I just get out here at break even? Gosh, I'm not... I'm going to be super annoyed if I get stopped out here. I'll be honest. I am going to be annoyed. Trying to debate if I want to go get a round of golf in today. Oh, this is gonna... Oh, man. Yeah, this is not cool. Rip. Is this really gonna stop us out? Yeah, I hate to see it. And it did. Wow. Alrighty then. They don't want to take this higher. They're just gonna continue to roll over here. What trade copyright do I use? I use the Replicanto one. I've found that to be the most stable one of them all. Well, that was unfortunate. Yeah, it's just we're also this is back to the lunchtime. Oh, really? You're gonna shoot me in the tick and do this? Look at this. Look at this bull crap. Look where I get stopped out. Look at that. What a bunch of garbage. Oh, that's annoying. That is actually annoying. Hmm. Man, that is annoying. It's a rigged game. I'm about to call the SEC again. That's disgusting. I mean, ticked right to the tick. That might be a sign. That might be a sign, folks. Maybe we need to just walk away. That is so annoying. If I'm enjoying the 80-degree weather in November, Empire Steve, 2 thumbs up on the weather, man. I love it. It's actually it it feels like I'm cheating. It feels like I'm cheating in life a little bit by being in the winter, like being down in Florida in the winter. It feels like cheating for real. I looked at the weather today. Here. Actually, today was pretty nice. When was it yesterday? Yeah, I was looking at the weather, and this coming Thursday, the weather in Ohio is a low of 34 with a high of 38. Rain and snow mixture. Whoopsie daisy. That's a yikes. Well, I won't be here. I'll be moving back to Ohio here in end of March, 1st of April. So I'm only here for the good times. Trading ever after, that's not unusual. That is very, very standard. Well, I'm not sure what I want to do here. I know I'm annoyed. I'm very, very annoyed right now. I get shot right in the tick. I mean, directly in it. Ah, it's so annoying. The area you were at is the 30-minute low. They were, yeah. I mean, I had my stop 639s. I had my stop 3 points below the low of this candle. I guess I just got to make my stop a little bit lower, I guess, than that. I don't know. Of course, hindsight is always very easy to say what I should have done. But here we are. You know, it is what it is. Just do whatever you feel is wrong and long one micro for the stream. I've thought about doing that, guys. Like right here, I'll go short 1 micro. I'll go short 1 micro right here. We'll have her stop at the high of day, and then we'll have her take profit down here at the 580s. And then I will do a stream. I will do a recap at the end of today. When the market closes at 4 o'clock, I will do a stream recap, and we'll do a recap on where that trade ended up. It's actually not a, I kind of like a short here, honestly. We've struggled to make, I don't know, I think a short here is better. But I don't know if I'm going to take it. We'd have to do this. Man, I actually might take this right here. This would be our risk to reward. We'd have 1-to-1 risk to reward. The chances that this would just consolidate between the two is probably pretty high. I don't know. I feel like because of yesterday, like if I look at the daily chart, I think that there's a bigger chance that we just kind of went, you know, tested this 720 area and then we roll over. I don't know. Just my opinion, but I don't know what to think. Kind of don't like the idea of just having a trade on all day long, though. I was listening to Top Set TV one time in Hawaii, and the older gentleman started in the Chicago pits. Yeah. Hey, kiss me, I cook. Let's go. Oh, really, black coffee? Ugh. I feel like I should just walk away. Honestly, that's the smart thing to do here. We're green by a little bit. It's not much, but man, hold on. I might take this trade yet. This, if we make lows below this, I mean, I like the shorts. I'm gonna take. Oh, is this a standard one more trade? If we don't get filled on this candle, I'm out of the trade and we're gonna call it. We got 40 seconds to fill me, and if it doesn't fill me in 40 seconds, we're out of here. Just got a feeling I just need, some days you just need to walk away and not further any damage. Yeah, this might go higher. Yeah, TCM trades, it could just barcode as well. Hey, nice black coffee. All right, I'm pretty sure, yep, we're not getting filled. All right, guys, I'm going to call it. I'm going to walk away. It's not much. It'll pay for a Wendy's meal. And the 3-minute opening range trade did not work today, but that's okay. Gave back about $100 of profit there, unfortunately. But let's call it now, and hopefully we'll get a little cleaner. I mean, we had some clean moves today. Obviously, this trade here, I should have held for a lot longer. Yeah, I hate to see it, but it is what it is. All right, everybody, I'm going to call it right there. Take care, everyone. Appreciate every one of you. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. Thank you and God bless.